Hi there! In this video, you will learn about how to send recurring emails from Gmail with xFanatical Foresight. Manually sending recurring emails like reports, newsletters, or reminders in Gmail is time-consuming, error-prone, and inconsistent, especially for busy teams managing routine communication. That's where xFanatical Foresight comes in. xFanatical Foresight automates the process of sending recurring emails in Gmail. With easy scheduling, personalized templates, and automated delivery, it ensures consistent, timely, and professional communication, freeing up your time for higher-value tasks. Let's dive in and see how it works. Sign into xFanatical Foresight with your Google account. Go to the Templates page. Search for Send Recurring Emails from Gmail template and click on it. In the Send Recurring Emails from Gmail page, click Copy Rule. For the first-time use of the template rule, and dialog action needed will display requesting necessary permissions required to copy the rule. Click Connect with Google and authorize the permissions. Upon authorization, a dialog titled Copy of Send Recurring Emails from Gmail will display. In the Recurring Time screen, in Start Time, select the time when the first email should be sent. In Repeat Every, select the frequency of the emails. Optional, in End Time, set end time of recurring email. It can be never, on a certain date, and after a set number of occurrences. Click Next. In the Email action, in 2, add more email addresses of the users who should receive the recurring emails. In Subject, update the subject of the recurring emails as needed. In the email body, update the body content of the recurring emails. Click Review. In the Review screen, customize the automation rule name. Click Create. The rule is created in the Rules page. Verify automation. In order to guarantee that your rule configuration automates as intended, it is imperative to conduct a basic test. The steps outlined below demonstrate how xFanatical Foresight automates the process of sending recurring emails from Gmail with xFanatical Foresight. Note: for demonstration purposes, please set the start time field in the recurring times triggered to 15 minutes from now. Go back to xFanatical Foresight. Wait until the configured trigger time. You will receive a notification in the top right. In the notification message, click View Log. In the Log Details page, the Rule History section explains the automation history and task xFanatical Foresight has automated on behalf of your Google account. It's simple and easy. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well. Please visit xfanatical.com.